Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam disk write error. First, go to your Windows search bar and type Steam. When you see the Steam app appear, do not open it yet. Instead, right-click on it and select the option that says Open File Location. This will open the folder where your Steam application is located. Inside this folder, find the Steam icon again, right-click on it, and choose Properties. A window will appear with different tabs at the top. Click on the tab called Compatibility. In this section, you will find a checkbox that says Run this program as an administrator. Click to check this box. Once it is checked, click on Apply at the bottom of the window and then click on OK to close the Properties window. Now try running Steam again and see if the error is gone. If the issue is still not fixed, open Steam normally. At the top left corner, click on the Steam menu and select Settings. This will open a new window with several options on the left side. Click on Downloads. In the Download section, you will find an option to clear download cache. Click on this option. It will ask you if you are sure you want to clear the cache. Click on Confirm. After that, go back to the Settings menu. Under the Downloads option, you will see another option called Storage. Click on it. This section shows all the folders where Steam stores your games and files. Look for the storage location where Steam is installed. You should see 3 dots next to the folder. Click on the 3 dots and choose the option to Repair Library. Steam will now start repairing the library folder. This process may take a few minutes. Once it is completed, the Steam disk write error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.